Put your legs on the chair. Hey, put your legs. All of you close your eyes. School and education, you need love?
If a doctor do a mistake, another doctor will save him. If a police do a mistake, another police will save him. Your husband is a rowdy. To save that rowdy, we have to hire another rowdy.
What's your problem?
I took a loan for 30,000 rupees for 5 paisa interest. I paid 1.5 lakh so far, brother. Still he's asking 50,000 more. I'm also a family man. Where will I go for money?
Why are you asking him additional 50k?
Muruga, this is not speed. This is express. So he has to pay that amount. Don't involve yourself. If you involve yourself, you have to meet the SP. I'll tell you. No, don't beat Muruga. Muruga, I'll give him the money. I'll give him back the money.
You are going daily for hunting, but nothing is getting.
Hey, cover all the things. We have to put an internet. Hey, record it on close up, man. Come on, come on.
Yes, focus there, focus.
Brothers, I'm watching you from long time. It's not right.
Don't speak too much. If you're giving me trouble, I will kill your sister, okay?
Don't do like that.
Hey, everything should be in written,
Okay, Muruga.
Get lost now.
Come with me.
Dear sir,
What is your problem?
there are some rowdy guys. They are shooting very badly our girls in their cell phones, sir. I asked them to stop, but they are threatening me.
Who are those guys? Tell me.
They are the guys.
Lady idiot! What the hell you are doing here, huh? Don't you have any sisters? Huh? What the hell you are doing now? Go, get lost! I shouldn't see you guys here after here, okay? None of these guys will come here, okay?
Oh,
If
okay,
you have
sir.
any problems further, let me know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Okay. Who is the one they are disturbing at that
It's
time?
my sister, sir. Sister, come here. This brother saved us from that rowdy guys. You know who he is? He is Attack Murugan.
Your name is in the encounter list, Muruga. Get married and get settled in life.
You said you saw some girl in the bus stop.
Did I say?
You were saying continuously. Did she have her caste?
No.
Brahmin?
Mm-hmm.
Muslim?
Mm-hmm.
Christian?
No.
Nepali?
No.
Did she is an alien or what?
Hey! Come, let's have a tea. Have a cup of tea. Come on.
Okay, sir. We will drink.
Master, couple of tea.
Yes, sir.
Hey, stop. Give it to me. Hey,
Brother,
come here. What the hell is this?
are we both the same? Can we use the same glasses again?
Hey,
Brother!
idiot! Nonsense.
Don't beat
Go,
me, brother.
get in a new class. Go.
Oh.
The same new glass you given to me. Give them. Have it. Have it. Come on. Hey, come on, give it to me.
Thank you,
Ah,
sir.
okay. Bye-bye. Take care. No problem, okay?
Okay.
You just go to the police station and inform them that a couple of vehicles are coming with the spirit, okay?
Yeah.
Huh?
Phone is ringing. Take it.
My brother is calling from Delhi. It's better you can speak.
Yeah. What? Let me give me.
Give mother! Give me, no! Give me, mother! Hello, brother! The line got cut.
You brother and sister will never allow me to attend that Delhi call, isn't it? My son is innocent. Okay, you talk how much you want.
Hey, why didn't you wait for some time? She would have spoken to him.
Get lost, brother. You're not bothered about me at all. You're only bothered about mother. See, now you only have her favorite ringtone. You don't have
Hey,
mine.
shut your mouth. Give the phone. So I don't have any love on you, right?
Oh, brother. Oh,
Hey,
brother.
come on, get up. What happened?
Please save my husband from the police, brother. After he gets released from the jail, he will never get into any problem, I promise you. The police were closing all the cases. My husband was in the police station and now they have taken him somewhere. I don't know where.
Hello? Kumar?
Tell me, brother.
Nothing, Kumar. Nagaraj has been arrested by the police, right?
Yeah, it's true. Tell me, brother.
Where is he now and what is the case filed against him? Could you tell me about that?
I will check it and tell you.
Her wife is also here. Can you check it immediately now?
Okay, bro.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Drive around Vattapal.
Hey, stop the vehicle! Stop the vehicle! Come on, guys! Hey, come on! Quick!
Hey, damn it!
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Hey, come on, get up, get up! We shouldn't come as a gangster. If we come, we shouldn't get married. When your wife cried in front of me, felt a heavy pain. That's the reason. Don't stay here. Police will definitely kill you. Come on. Have this car and go to Bombay. It's Anthony's visiting card. You go and settle there. He will take care. I will not forget this help. It's okay, Nagaraj. You go.
From the morning you are drinking. Please stop it, sir.
Who is that attack Murugan? What does he think of himself?
Sir, he has a big caste following, sir.
He hit me and has taken that piece. DSP is not bothered about this at all. SP also ignores this. What is happening?
Sir, local MLA and MP, everybody is supporters, so we have to control ourselves.
I won't be quiet. My policy is different. I will prove myself.
Why do you want to surrender for this?
No, I only kidnapped him. If I didn't go and surrender, just for the sake of closing the case, they will arrest some innocent guys and they will encounter them. And then they will close the case also. It is my fault. It's better I have to go and surrender.
Here, brother. Mother, my left eye is throbbing.
If your left eye wings, that means you are going to see the person whom you are going to marry.
Oh, stop it, mother.
Dust would have gone inside. You do your work.
Master, 3 teas.
Mother, some man's looking at me and I don't like it.
Why do you look at him? He is a rowdy. Children are asking for balloon. Give them.
Hello. Go and get a balloon from that girl, okay?
Okay, bye, brother.
Take care, guys.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you a picture?
Yes, sir.
You regularly steal the cattle and chicken in this town?
No, sir, I am not like that.
You bloody rascal. Are you lying to me? I've been watching a file for a month
Sir,
now.
nothing like that, sir. I stole in Ganeshan house, but he himself forgived me, sir. This Murugan only beating me and giving torture and not allowing me to enter the city, sir. From 1 month I didn't see my wife and children, sir.
Okay, go tomorrow.
If you say so, today itself I will go to the city, sir.
Not enough to go into town. Enter Murugan's house.
Definitely, sir. What, man? Everybody asking stuff in the prison, but you are Delta's big rowdy, but you are asking balloon packet as a child. Very common.
My uncle. Brother,
What, bro?
go straightly to Gandhi Colony.
My son, first we will go to home, then we will go to anywhere. Okay?
Mother! Guys, sit down here. Uncle, come.
Come. Come.
Mother!
Hey, I will slap you now. How many times have I told you to go and take bath? Go, go. Go
Listen
and
to
take
mother,
bath.
get bath and come.
Okay, uncle.
You are the right uncle for him. Don't you have any brains at all? You should get him married immediately.
Why are you blaming me? Here, your son came, you ask him.
What? Have you taken bath by this
It's
time?
okay,
Huh?
mother. I have lot of works to do.
Okay, eat food and go.
It's okay. I'll have some water.
Oh my god. Have you ever listened to me?
Hey, why she is here now?
Why are you shouting at her? I only have told her to come.
Uncle, this is not right.
Everything is right.
Are you supporting that guy?
Hey, don't be so idiotic. Because of you people, how many days he can stay away from his wife and children?
For that?
He knows only if he gets married. Then only you will know the value of wife and children. Look at her, poor thing, she has children, no? Unknowingly, he has done some mistake. Now he wants to leave everything and lead a good life. Instead of pardoning him, don't give more and more troubles to him. Hey, where is he? Call him here.
Come here, he won't beat you up.
Come fast. You see, if you are angry with him, call him and beat him and that's all. Poor fellow. Don't trouble him anymore, okay? Do what I say.
Did you listen to her? It's only for her words I am leaving you now. In case in the future if I come to know still you are stealing some things, I will kill you. My guys will do big things only, not a cheap job like you.
Be careful.
This is the final warning for you. Get lost. Hey you, come here. Come here. Come here. Have it. Go and have some chicken or mutton immediately, okay?
My son is soft-hearted. Being his brother, how can you do such things?
Mother,
Yeah.
I'm leaving now.
Hey,
it's quite
what
urgent
is
for
this?
me.
Hey,
Uncle.
I have done chicken curry for you. Eat and go.
I have a very big work waiting for me. Come on, uncle, come on. Mom, I'm
Hey,
leaving.
hey, wait. He is in a hurry, but why are you going? What is so important?
Till now, how many girls we saw for him for the marriage?
What to say? We have seen about 100 girls.
Did he like any one of that girls?
Then we would have got a real beautiful girl here. What to do? Everything is
From
gone.
now, you don't have to worry about that.
What are you saying?
Now your son is going to see a girl only.
Is it true?
Yes.
Who is that girl?
You see, you don't ask right now. If I say right now, you will get a heart attack.
Oh my
so
God.
I'm moving. Bye.
Hey, wait! Whichever girl you are going to see, she should be beautiful, okay? Especially, she should be able to cook tasty food.
how we can find a girl who used to cook nicely. After this marriage, you have to eat the meat directly.
Come quick!
Yeah, coming.
Hey, wait! What is he blabbering?
Yeah, I'm coming. Ready. Where is my girl? Where is my girl?
Killy!
My girl,
My
come here.
Killy!
Why are you calling Kili now?
From Pollachi, I bought a cat biryani for her. Ask her
Huh?
to come.
Why should you buy biryani for her?
Who will give rather than me? I am her future husband, you know.
You see, if you ever talk about marrying her, I will kick
Why
you.
are you talking like that? I am her future husband. According to our religious protocol, if I deny only, you can find another boy for her. I am ready to marry you. Sorry, your girl as my...
Oh yes, I have given you my elder daughter. You have spoiled her life. Apart from her, you married my second daughter and spoiled her life. Now you want to spoil my third daughter's life, is it?
Are you going to put your girl as a fixed deposit in the bank? Let me marry her so that our family will grow up like anything.
If my husband comes to know about it, he will kill you and make curry out
Whom
of
you are
it.
talking? That lousy idiot, your husband. He may be the leader of this gang, but he cannot do anything with me because I have all rights. See here. Today 3:30 I will marry your daughter and 4:30 I will have a honeymoon with her and then I will go to Pollachi. Nobody is there to ask me. Hey, who's that?
What are you doing here?
Sir, why you came this
What problem you're creating here?
Sir, he is giving us so much of trouble. He drinks and comes and does rowdyism. He took my second daughter to Pollachi saying that he is going to drive share auto. Now he wants to marry my third daughter and spoil her
Who is
life.
that girl?
She's talking about your love.
Where is she has gone?
She's gone towards the bus stand over there.
Idiot! Already you have couple of wife and you're planning for the third one now, huh? I will kill you. If I see you here, definitely I'll kill you. Hey, everyone go, get lost. Not only him. If anyone also does the same, let me know immediately, okay?
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, take the vehicle in the reverse.
Please have your seat, sir.
What happened to
Okay.
your brother?
Hey, come on. Is everything
Ah,
okay?
it's going on well.
And most importantly, where is that girl now?
Why you are asking that?
Go, bring her here.
Tell me why.
Come on, go. I have to buy an important thing. Come on, go.
Okay,
Come
okay.
on. Hey, hi.
Good morning, bro. That RA is standing. Who blocked our lorry?
Is that so? Uncle, shall we get him here?
Yeah.
Hey,
Go.
come on, guys, go.
Go and get him here.
Why
What,
are
uncle?
you bringing me
Will
here?
she come
with
here?
me. He's waiting for you there. Come with me. Brother,
Hey, come this side.
brother was trying to talk
I
something.
told to come here.
Please listen to him.
Come here. Come in front.
Brother wanted to buy something from you.
What is it?
I'm not feeling good for last 2 days. I need some honey.
Brother, even I sell honey, brother.
The one which you have is the duplicate one. She has the original honey. Do you
Yes,
have
I
it?
have.
Hey, little girl. Come on, give it.
It's very fresh. See how my dear is licking the honey.
Love is like a dry fish curry.
Eh?
It will stink till it is cooked. After cooking, it will be tasting beautiful. The taste is beautiful, isn't it?
No. I didn't do it on purpose. Ask them to leave me, brother. Brother,
You
brother.
ready? You're asking permit for my vehicle. How dare you can ask the permit for my vehicle, huh?
Killy, don't leave me and run. Killy, don't run. Yeah, take that pest. I'm also following you.
Sister, the smell is mind-blowing even though it was closed. Serve me the food immediately.
Leaving my son alone, you come here only for eating. I made special fish curry for my son and is waiting for him. If he had got married at the right time, he would have come home for food at the right
Oh my
time.
dear sister, it was only past that he likes fish curry. I know right now what he likes.
What?
Hey, do you have our item now?
Today we didn't find wild cats, sir.
I could hear some noise
We
here.
catched only birds, sir.
Just go and clean it and get me in a perfect condition, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hey, what is your name?
Cleopatra.
What, Patra?
Cleopatra.
Okay, who named you? Is that him? Okay, what is that hanging in the vehicle?
It's a tattoo machine.
So you'll put tattoos also.
Take it, sir.
Is it okay? So you cleaned it perfectly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you leave now.
Sir, every day you will give only 1,000 rupees. Now it is more than that.
What's the name you kept for your sister?
Cleopatra, sir.
Come on, nice name, nice name, nice name.
Shall we take leave, sir?
Go.
Your brother is online.
Go and cook this one, okay? Hey, brother, tell me.
How are you, brother?
I'm good. How are you? Who is Cleopatra?
She is Miss Universe, brother.
If she is the universal beauty like our Aishwarya Rai?
No, she is more than that. She is the first beautiest girl in the world.
What are you saying?
Fast, fast. Pour it. Don't
Don't
feel
be
shy
in
to
a
pour
hurry like this. Here. Why are you looking like that? It is fish.
From today, I don't think so. Your son will like this type of fish curry. From tomorrow, he used to like a bat and wild cat, everything.
You are always talking nonsense about my son.
My dear,
Uncle?
have your lunch. Have your lunch.
What, uncle? Mom is angry on me?
Pour little more. My dear, curry is very fantastic. Have it, have it.
What is this? He is also looking like that.
Mom, don't you know how to cook the stuffs like a forest cat and all?
Huh? Hey, I made special fish curry for you and you are asking for birds? What is this? Nowadays, you don't have any love for me.
Mother, I'm coming to say that at least you can cook chicken or mutton. Daily you're cooking fish, right? That's the reason I
No,
said.
no, not like that. You have no
Do you
love
want
for
a
me.
tattoo?
That's why you're asking for chicken and mutton.
Does anyone want a tattoo? Anyone?
Uncle,
Uh,
go and bring that girl who is putting the tattoos.
uh,
I will just put a tattoo to show how much I love you, Mom.
You
anyone
put
want a
tattoo or
tattoo?
toto, whatever you like.
I know the real reason of why he is putting tattoo. It's not because of love towards his mother. Hey, girl, stop there.
Uncle, eat it also.
Does anyone
Go,
want a
get that girl
tattoo?
soon.
Okay. Go, baby. Go and put tattoo to him. Okay, go.
Hey, come on, sit here. Sit. I know further, you get up.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Show me your hand, sir. I cannot give you a tattoo here. It is full of wounds.
You can't do it here?
My God, sir, why are you removing your shirt?
Put it here.
No, sir. I cannot give you a tattoo here. No, sir. I'm
I will
leaving.
slap you if you are not putting a tattoo to me. Sit down, sit down. Come on, take it.
Name?
Cleopatra.
No, sir. I cannot tattoo my name.
Do what I say, else I'll hit you. Come on, do it. Come on. It will be paining for me. So do it. So short and sweet. Come on.
பச்சை கிளி முத்துச்சரம் முல்லை கொடியாரோ பச்சை கிளி முத்துச்சரம் முல்லை கொடியாரோ பாவை என்னும் பேரில் வரும் தேவன் மகள் நீயோ பொன்னின் நிறம் பிள்ளை மனம் வள்ளல் குணம் யாரோ
Not just my face. He also spoiled my name in the department.
He is running a government of his own there.
How many years we have to be a slave for him? We have to kill him immediately.
No, it is not easy to kill him. We should snatch the power out of him.
Yes.
Murugan killed Suran. But this Murugan will be killed by this Suran. This Suran.
Hey,
Yes.
can you get some fruits on a plate right now?
Yeah.
Hey,
Morning,
hi.
brother.
Hey, come.
Yes, coming.
Good morning. Anything special? You got a fruit tray and all new costumes? You're grooming a mustache also?
You know Cleopatra? I decided to marry her.
Huh? Brother, if they come to know about this, they'll hit me blue and black, brother.
You will be my friend. I'm going to do the engagement right now.
Brother,
Come.
no, brother.
Come with me.
Spare me, brother. I'm not coming,
come on.
brother.
Hey, be careful.
He's sitting with a gun there.
Oh, come, sir.
Oh, hello.
How
Hello,
come this
everybody. Hi.
Good
Hey,
morning,
come
sir.
on, give it to me. It's nothing.
Brother.
Your daughter, Cleopatra, right?
My daughter?
Brother, please don't
You just
tell
be
brother.
silent. Just be silent. I will take care. I'm here, right? I saw your daughter in the bus stand first of all. Your daughter was selling honey at that time.
Tell me, sir.
I was not at all feeling good for a lot of days. I would have consulted 4 or 5 doctors, but nothing happened. I got cured because of the honey your daughter gave it to me.
She has a lucky hand, sir.
That's the reason, as a token of respect, I just came here.
Oh, I see.
It would be better if I give it to her itself.
Usha, call her.
Hey, Kili, come out.
I'm not
Hey,
coming.
Murugan sir came for you. Come here.
Kili, come out. Come out. Accept what he gives.
My dear. From yesterday night you were saying that you are going to tell some poet and didn't allow me to sleep. And now you are looking at the sky without any speech. Please tell me that so I will write it and I will go and do my job.
Note it down. In Kadalur district,
Huh?
I was the biggest thief.
What?
Write it down.
Okay.
In the Nagapatnam district, you are a good girl.
Huh?
We both shall get married soon and will get 40 children.
40.
And about the rest, we'll talk in person. Come soon.
Yes, my dear. I heard so many poetries. This is the fabulous poetry that you said. I liked it. Take it.
Who are you?
Uncle.
Then why are you giving to me? Go on, give it to her.
This is the one job I didn't do.
Go. Go and tell your brother.
Hey, I don't know what will happen if I tell my brother. Come along with me.
Luckily, I didn't get married.
Brother, I want to tell you something.
What happened?
You should not get angry and go kill the person.
Tell me now.
Every day outside my college, one fellow stands and gives me love letters.
Why don't you write a letter in response?
Brother!
Sister, love is like a dead fish. Until it is getting cooked, it smells dirty. Once if it is cooked, it will be nice. Don't you smell it?
Oh my god! Uncle! What happened to brother?
Your brother loving a girl.
Yeah! I'm going to get a sister-in-law!
What, Kili? Nowadays I couldn't see you frequently. So why don't we go to America?
Why should I come to America?
Already there are 7 wonders. If Obama sees you, he will not leave you. He will make you as the 8th wonder. I was busy some personal issues, that's the reason I couldn't see you. But don't worry, I will see you daily.
Nobody here is crying to talk to me, okay? Understand. If you want to buy something from me, buy it or else leave.
Wait, I need to buy some things, right? Give me. What is this?
Parrot.
How to blow it? Oh my god, give it to me. Give me that bangle. I'm not sure about the size. Could you please check and let me know it will be suitable for my future wife? Your hand size will be perfect. Perfect. Give it to me. What is this? What is this?
It's a whistle.
Will it blow?
Hmm?
Lipstick, huh?
Chee.
It's all for you only. Have it. Now listen, it's everything for you only. My future wife is also you only. If I get married, that will be one and only you. Remember, if I get married, that will be only with you. Okay? Don't worry, my dear. I will marry you.
Hi,
Come,
sir.
little brothers.
Boss, you asked us to come.
How is the pain on your leg?
It's okay now.
The girl who sells her fancy items, who is looking little colorful.
Brother, she's not little color. She's very colorful.
Did you saw her?
What I see, bro. I have brought details, boss. Name Cleopatra. Everyone calls her Kili, Kili, Kili. In the whole crowd, she's the only one. So beautiful, like angel.
You shouldn't say that. I should say that. Where is she now?
She sells her goods in bus stop and then she leaves.
Someone like a film hero is roaming around this area, boss. Whenever she comes and goes by this area, he says, I love you, I want to marry you, I'll take you to America, Africa, all this nonsense. If he gets caught with you, he is finished.
It's okay. Go and find him now. I will take care of him.
Yes, brother.
Bro, good morning.
For what?
I also trying last 1 year, but she's not looking me.
bloody
My God.
Oh, sir. Come, sir.
Come, boss.
How is it suddenly you have come this way? I am so happy to see you, sir.
Your daughter Cleopatra hasn't come on our streets to sell something. My sister needs some small fancy items.
All right, sir.
She requested to get something for her. That's the reason I came here to meet Cleopatra.
Just wait, sir. Hey, Kili, come here. You have come to our hut. I am so happy. Thank you so much, sir. Hey, Kili, didn't you hear what sir said? Why are you not going that side at all?
Mother, I cannot go that side, Mother. There are so many stray dogs.
Dogs will always bark. Just because of that, you can't stop going there. Poor sir, he has come all the way to our hut. Whatever he wants, give it to him.
Not a street dog, another dog. A rabid dog.
You don't talk anything now. Whatever he is asking, give it to him.
With dirty thoughts in your mind, don't come this side.
Bring it here. Give to him.
Why are you staring? Please don't feel shy. Yeah. Have it.
Yes, I'm
This
fine.
saree looks good on you.
Are you fine?
I'm fine.
You too have it.
Hey, I don't know anything.
Who is on the phone?
Ask our uncle. He only organized everything. Come on, talk to mom. Brother is calling from Delhi, mom. He is really getting tense.
What is his tension? He should have taken a decision by now. Hello?
What, mom? Why this urgent engagement?
Not suddenly. Hey, this matter was not decided now. When your sister was born, we decided to get her married to your uncle's son. They have come just for a formality. That's all. Not only that, we showed the horoscope of your brother to an astrologer. After seeing the horoscope, he said there is a big problem for our house. So before that, if you do some good thing, that problem will be solved automatically. That is why I told them to come. They said we conduct the marriage next week itself. We have decided the marriage hall, etc. You can come later with your friends.
Mom, my friends are all ministers' sons, so ask brother to put a nice room.
Okay, I'll tell.
Mom, they are leaving
Ah.
now. What my brother is saying, is he okay with everything?
Yeah, he is coming with his friends.
He is okay. I will take care of the rest.
Okay.
There is a marriage hall in Padruti. I have to check with
Okay,
them.
if they are okay, it is okay with
Then
us.
it's okay, mom. I will
then
take care
what?
of the rest, okay? I'm leaving now.
Book a good room for your brother because his friends are coming. Come.
Okay, mother.
Good morning, brother.
Oh, Gemini, how are you?
I'm
My
fine.
sister is getting married. You have to come.
How will I not come?
Don't come alone, my dear. You have to call all your group people and you have to come for sure.
You're very kind.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Don't fail to come.
Thank you, brother.
Bring all your family members, okay?
Okay, if I will not come, you will kill me. I know that. What, Kili? Okay, brother. I'll
you're
definitely
not coming
come,
to the
brother.
marriage, that's
I
it.
shall come, brother.
Okay, Cleopatra, I'm leaving.
Why are you taking me here? Leave me, sir. Leave me.
Listen to what he says. If not, I'll beat you. Smash your teeth.
am I?
Why are you asking like that, brother? You are the biggest person in this Delta district.
What I am doing here?
Arak shop, rowdyism, and sand smuggling. You will pour some arak into this and add some color powder in this, then distribute this as brandy.
You know that. But your sister doesn't know that.
What is that?
I'm sincerely loving your sister for last 1.5 months. But she's not at all carrying that. I have earned crores and crores in lot of illegal stuffs. Please get marry her to me.
You may have crores of money, but I will give my sister only to our caste people. Past 1.5 months you didn't love her. You gave torture to her. You will commit suicide if I said what she said about you. Why are you torturing us, sir? Please leave us. Brother, how big gangster you are. Why are you feeling about that? Please leave it.
Get lost from here. What is this gangster? Fall in love. Then you will come to know about all the pains. No one will be a gangster. Do you know? Everyone will call me as attack so proudly. But just simply with your eyes, she attacked me and took my heart. Just understand one thing. You know what is meant by fear? If I make one call, groceries will come from the shop, mutton or chicken will come from the shop, auto will come, bus will come, even bribe money will also come. You know, right? Even the police is also getting scared on me. But she couldn't feel love on me till now. I don't want.
Brother, don't worry, brother. Just say, brother. I'll make them cry like anything, brother.
Hey!
Huh?
Are you giving ideas? To get die or what? I know about the beautifulness. You gonna make her embarrassed? And while seeing the mirror every day, I will definitely feel about that. And do you want that? The pain behind the beauty, I only know that. I don't want the girl I sincerely love. Wherever she is, let her be happy.
Ah,
Good evening,
come,
sir.
come. I do not know what you will do. Mix it in the arak. This is what you should do. They all must die. Then we should celebrate that. The next dawn of this region is you.
Hey, what is this?
He smelt and he fainted.
It's not mixed properly. Go and get the battery immediately.
Bring it. You will not listen to anybody. Brother, shall I pour it?
Pour it, pour it.
How much ever I do, you don't like it at all.
Okay, then I am leaving.
Oh.
Hello, Puli brother. I need 5 liters of arak. Bring me without the knowledge of my brother.
Maithili, this is the first news. In the district of Kadlur, Banroti, more than 50 people imbibed poison and died. All of this happened in the Attack Murugan's family function. Murugan's younger brother also died. Due to Attack Murugan's illegal liquor business, many guests died in his sister's wedding function. This is an extremely sad event. The police are searching for Attack Murugan to arrest him. In the Delta district, Attack Murugan, who is in charge of the illegal liquor business and sand business, has hidden himself.
I'll hit him in one stroke. This is my policy.
Brother, I've never seen you hiding this way. You've not done any mistake and you've been helping the poor. Why should you suffer for this?
What to do, brother? If I go and surrender now, they will definitely finish my chapter in the name of encounter. I don't know who has done this. Until I prove I am genuine, I have to hide myself. If I go to my place, I will take care of the rest. I don't know how to enter my village.
You want to go to the village. How do you go? What is the way?
It's enough if I enter there.
If you can do what I say, not only in this village, you can go all around the world and come back.
What's that?
First, we'll change your name. What shall I call him? This way or that way? Or shall I call him? Yes, hereafter your name is Caesar. You will have to forget all your attacking modes and become a silent Caesar. How many movies we have seen? Your trend, your walk and your talk, change them all.
I will do anything until Kili trusts me.
Oh no, brother, this is not a big thing at all. You adopt our language and Kili will definitely believe you. Give a small modulation. After every word is finished, oh sir and oh God, it's all over.
Okay,
Oh,
God.
that's right. Keep following this. Kili is all yours, oh God.
Okay, God.
Be careful, brother. Everybody is of different type here. We'll have to be very careful. Are you fine? Go down and come, brother. Sit down here. Sit down, brother. He is my grandfather Gemini Ganesh and my grandmother K.R. Vijaya. He is my elder brother and he is our God. Pray him well. Brother, your Kili is staying right opposite to this house only. Everything will be fine with the time. We'll see her tomorrow. Now you go and sleep.
Okay.
Please come in. Good morning, Chief.
Who is this new guy?
He is my distant relative. He is from Madras Punamali. His father and mother are expired. He is my family member. If you permit, I will make him stay with me.
Is that so?
Yes, Chief.
What's your name?
Caesar.
Caesar. What name is Caesar Visa? Say Rajini Kamal.
They have named him. Why, Chief? Why is Kili crying?
She asked for a cycle I did not buy.
Yes, he is a big leader. She has been asking for a cycle for long. He is not able to buy for
She
her.
always keeps complaining. It's
You
her
don't cry,
habit.
Kili. I will buy it for you.
Okay, Chief, I shall leave now.
Okay, sir, I'm leaving.
Oh.
I have to struggle a lot for you.
Why she is crying like that?
I should tell you everything about Kili. She's really a very good girl. She will think a lot before she likes something. But if she likes, then she will keep crying till she gets it. She's asking for a cycle and her father is not buying her. I don't know how long she's going to cry for this.
Okay, have this money.
This is for cycle?
Yeah, get it immediately.
Even in this condition, very helpful. You have a big heart, brother. I'll come with the cycle.
Hey, Gemini, how is her face?
Will this cat also drink milk? It's a question like that.
And my face?
The moment they say, police will catch you.
Hey Gemini, how did you get money to buy me a cycle? Why are you looking at him?
This cycle is sponsored by Caesar.
If someone new has arrived in this village, will you not introduce me?
I'm sorry, Kili. I've already told your father.
What if he's a thief?
No, he's my best friend.
You yourself are a useless fellow and you have a friend? Okay, leave it. He looks like a sad fellow.
Hey, stop here.
What, Jimny?
You asked for a cycle. I arranged for it. Is this cycling?
I don't know to ride a cycle. You teach
Oh
me.
my god. When I was a child, I was hurt where I shouldn't have been hurt. Tell Caesar, he's a good rider, he'll ride you.
What?
What do I mean? Caesar is good rider, he'll teach you.
Okay, then wake Caesar up.
Why should I? You want to learn cycling? You come and ask him to teach you.
Caesar!
Some wonders happening. What's up? Tell me what you want.
Caesar, will you teach me to ride the cycle?
Okay, I'll teach you how to ride it. In turn, I have to learn something from you.
What is it?
You should teach me how to shoot.
I cannot teach you all that.
Then I will not teach you how to ride.
Okay, I will teach you. But first you have to teach me how to ride the cycle. Then I will teach you to shoot.
Okay. Okay, come on, sit. On the seat.
Why are you catching my waist?
I should hold there, else you will fall down. Come on, put your foot on the pedal.
How's it?
Like a camphor. You learned it so fastly.
Why have you come here from Madras?
It's for a small reason I'm here.
That's what I'm asking. What reason?
I missed a thing in this village. Until I find it, I'll be here only.
What if you don't get it?
I found that thing, but I couldn't get the approval from that. Until that thing is approving for me, then I will leave from here.
But what if you don't get the permission?
The one which will be getting out of this village will be my life only.
No, don't talk like this. You will get it. This Kili is telling you, right?
Okay, Kili. You told that right. I have lot of hopes.
Hang this on his shoulder, let's
Why
go.
you wake up me in the morning? Hey, what's happening
Don't
here?
talk too much. Come quietly. I told you come. Hey, who is this?
Caesar.
Caesar Saucer. I don't think so. He's our caste. Hey, take him. Hey, don't talk too much. Go. Be careful. Hey, what you said his name?
I told you, his name is Caesar.
What is this Caesar and Saucer? I don't think so. He's our caste. There is no wildcat urine smell in his body.
Brother, there is no forest in Madras, I say. That's why he doesn't know cat hunting. He's from our community only.
Clee. Come.
Bro, look there.
Give me a balloon to uncle. Hey, blow it. Blow it, man. Hey, Clay, did your sister cook anything?
Oh my god,
Why
how is
you
he
are
going to
looking
do
very
that?
dull? Look at me, then you will get energy. Why this guy is looking at her? She's also looking at him. Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to Chitambram.
Then go to Chidambaram. Why are you standing here? Go.
Get lost.
Hey, look at me. Did you see her? She belongs to me. And also, I am going to marry her as my third wife. I would have been married her before 3 months. But a rugged rowdy Murugan disturbed my love. Now you know what is his condition? Police are searching for him for encounter. They encounters him or not, I will kill him definitely. So don't stare her and don't follow her. If you do that so, I will kill you, understand? Don't make me arrogant fellow.
Who mixed the poison? Tell me!
Only our parents are different, but our grandfather is the same. The blood which is running in me also. I will not do such low quality of job. Believe me, brother. But I'll definitely promise you who has done this job, I'll find him out. It's a promise.
I'll tell my people who are going to jungle, you go. Definitely tell them. Yes, sir, I'll tell them.
Hey. How beautifully you are looking, so beautiful. What is this? Hey, what is inside this? Oh, okay. I can understand.
Killy,
Hey,
go inside.
Cleopatra. Hey, don't ask her to go. I'll shoot on your mouth. Before shooting you, I have to kill him. Yes. Yeah. Oh, what?
I
Tell
think
me,
he
Mr.
has
Jacob.
lost his brains.
You want to beat
See
me?
what all he is
Okay,
doing now.
I'm beating. Hey, you idiot rascal. Bloody fool. Shoved means I would have been married Cleopatra so early and I would have been given her 2 children. You bloody rascal. You stopped everything. You disturbed everything.
Oh God, I don't know what is going to happen to that sir.
Hey, if you talk too much, I will shoot you first. Okay.
What can he do even if he comes to know it? How long are you going to survive? Talk how much you can talk. It's over. His story is over now.
I didn't like his post.
Hey. What noise there?
Sir, I'm coming. Here, police sir. Are you going to encounter him or you want me to shoot him?
Hey, leave.
Oh, you guys will shoot the persons only standing in front of you. But we will shoot which will fly, which will walk, which will run. You can't go and hunt anybody, right?
I am warning you.
Sir, please excuse him. Hey, get lost. Sorry,
Hey.
sir.
Tell him to behave properly. Not I'll arrest him.
Okay, sir. I'll take him. You go, sir.
Killy,
This fellow is a poor fellow. I feel so bad that the police are chasing him. This man has helped so many people. He's such a good fellow, you know.
Sir. Sir, SP is online.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. All right, sir. Okay. Let's go to SP's office.
Okay, sir.
you know how beautiful you are?
Take that nail polish.
This will suit you. Take it.
How much I have to pay?
Rupees 20, madam.
Here.
What is this, madam? I'm asking you for 20 rupees and you're giving me 10. We are sitting in the sun and doing business. We are charging you the right amount. Please give me rupees 20.
Hey, what is it? You know who I am. This bus stand is under my control. I will kick you from here, okay? Be careful. That is good for you.
Madam, don't go. Please give me everything and then go.
You are holding my hand.
Madam, she's requesting so politely, right? Why are you slapping her for that?
You have come for support, is it? Who are you? Huh? Yay! Leave me! I say leave me!
As you're a woman, I'm leaving you just like that.
You caught my hand, is it? You will suffer now.
Get lost.
I will come and I'll show you now what I can do.
You don't worry. Sit down. Don't cry. I'm telling you, right?
Come, let's go.
What happened, sister?
What, sister? That gypsy man slapped me, you know?
Just wait for a minute. I'll bring him here. Hey!
Caesar! 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 No, Caesar! No, don't fight!
Leave me!
No, Caesar! No, leave him, please! Leave him, Caesar! Enough, Caesar! Please, enough! No, Caesar, please!
It's okay. Nothing, Killy. You sit down. Sit down. Don't worry. I will take care. I'm here, right? Killy, just be here. I'll be back.
No, Caesar, don't go! Don't leave me alone,
Just
please.
a minute. I will be back in
Caesar.
some time.
Please, listen.
I'm promising you.
Don't go.
Don't worry. Just be here, okay? I'll be back.
Brother, somebody has hit me,
Who the hell
brother.
is that? Who bet you? Come, let's go. Beat the hell out of him. Come, let's go see who it is.
Hello?
Hey, I'm Murugan.
Brother, tell me, brother.
Brother, my brother telephoned. He told to give the correct cash.
It's okay,
to you.
madam, it's okay. No
here,
problem.
yeah,
Just
you
leave
take
it.
this. You asked 20 rupees, no? Instead, I am giving you 50 rupees. Take it. Don't get angry with me.
Brother, don't give anything in the heart,
It's
brother.
okay.
Forgive me.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay,
sorry,
I am
brother.
leaving. Okay.
Shall we leave?
It's so late. Where is Cleopatra?
Hey, she has gone to attend one festival. I told her to come as fast as possible. I came fast to cook food.
Why you left her alone?
What is this? She is not a kid. You should have gone and brought her along with you.
Whatever it is, finally you will
Yeah.
blame me.
There, she has come.
Kide, why are you so late?
Father, there was a huge fight at the bus stand. Caesar only helped me.
Oh, really? Caesar should be always safe, Kide.
Oh, get lost, Father. Caesar is a very brave man. He fought so well.
Hey, did he eat anything? Go. I have made rabbit curry. You eat and give to him also. Go. Hey,
Okay, Mother.
tell him thanks for bringing you safely here.
Mm. Caesar. Caesar? Caesar!
Hi, Killy.
Rabbit stew, please eat.
For me?
I told my mother what happened at the bus stand. My mother asked me to thank you. Thanks, Caesar.
Can you feed me?
Tell me, what would have happened if that fellow had come with all his friends to beat us up?
If we remain shutting our mouth, they will definitely kill us thinking like an insect. We have to reply, Killy. If they slap on us, we have to. Do you know one thing, Killy? We are not at all respecting our groups at all. God has created those people like us only. You know that, right? We are struggling a lot to eat. Why we have to fear about them? There is no wrong in beating them. Is that okay?
I'll leave now.
I will eat further. You leave now.
Okay, Caesar.
Take care.
Brother, I was listening to everything you were talking. Brother, you have a lot of respect for our people.
I love it, buddy. I love this life really. Wherever you go, you're really genuine. But the people like me will not take ticket in the bus, not even in the train also. But you people are really struggling a lot to earn. But people like me, you know one thing, as soon as they wake up in the morning, just planning to kill someone. They are living a life like this only. Hey, shall I say one thing? If I look on the newspaper, in all other caste, we could see a lot of people are getting caught in the brothel case, you know.
Brother,
But to be frank, that is not happening in your group. That's the reason only I love this.
I'm very happy that you respect us a lot. I'm really very happy. Brother, I swear, brother, kill is yours only. Sleep. I will take off everything. Don't worry about anything here. Kill is yours only. He is yours only. He is yours only.
Jimny? Hey, Jimny. Hey,
No,
come on, wake up.
I'm not anything, Chief. I'm not
Hey,
anything.
Jimny, relax. It's me. It's me only. Come on. You will reveal who I am.
I've been talking to you for the whole night. I have not been sleeping at all.
Hey, I could feel some itches on my skin.
Oh my God.
Also, during the night time, I couldn't sleep properly.
What do you
Come,
want?
Let's go and have a bath.
Brother, please, brother, I'll fall on your feet, brother. Please don't take bath, brother. Don't take bath. The Killis relative already told they're stinking very less. You should stink more, brother. If you take bath and come, they will know and they will kill me,
Hey,
my
come on.
brother.
I will
Please
take care of
leave
that.
me.
Come on,
Please
Jimny,
leave
come
me,
on.
brother.
I'm requesting you, right? What is this, Jimny? For the sake of this Dharmaraj, I couldn't even take bath at all. Give me my shirt. I will wear here itself.
Yeah. Put that on.
Rest
Put that
will
on.
take care
Don't worry.
later. We have to properly fix this wig on my head. Come on, please wait. Killy, listen what I'm saying. Killy, please. Stop. Hold on. Killy, just listen what I'm saying. Please.
Leave me!
Please listen what I'm
Leave
coming
me
to say.
alone.
I'm requesting you sincerely. Please listen to me.
Leave
Come on,
me.
please. Please understand me. Please listen what I'm coming to say. Killy, come
Ah!
on. Stop. Killy, please stop. Killy, please listen. Killy, please sit down.
Please leave
Please
me.
listen what I'm coming to say. Please try to understand.
Please
sit
leave
down.
me.
Sit down, please.
Please.
Listen what I'm coming to say, Killy. Killy, really, I'm not a good guy. But after seeing
No,
you,
I
I
don't want
left
to
everything. Do you
listen
know that?
to him.
Huh? Come on, try to understand what I'm coming to say. Killy, come on, listen. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. After feeling now only, I left everything and decided to live with you first of all.
Your wish won't happen. I will not marry outside my
There is a
community.
formality to become a Hindu.
No.
And also there is a formality to become a Muslim. And there is a formality to become a Christian. What I'm supposed to do to enter your caste? Tell me. Come on, tell me. Come on. I'm asking you only. Tell me frankly. Tell me first of all what I'm supposed to do now. Come on. If I join with you, definitely I can enter your caste, right?
What is all this, brother? What is all this?
I had a dream that while taking bath, I have been caught by Killy.
Thank God. We had some drink and we were lying out of our community. If this had happened in my community, they would have thrown me out of my community. Shit. I should not be sleeping with you anymore. I should look for a separate place now. Now till Killy comes, I should sleep separately.
You only know where Murugan is. Tell me where he is.
Sir, from the morning you are asking. I really don't know where Murugan is. If a moment, I will definitely tell you. There is no contact between us, sir.
Murugan is calling. I'll switch on the speaker. You just ask him where he is. If you try to do something, I'll kill you.
Hey, it's me, Murugan.
Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm good.
Brother, right now, where are you?
It should be secret at present. I'll tell you later. But I am safe here. Hey, I found who mixed the poison in the spirit.
Who was that?
It has been done by the Inspector Dharmaraj. Hey, he is not a normal inspector. He has done already 4 encounters in Nagarkoil. Do you know how he has done that encounters? With the help of his close buddies, he has mixed the poison in the rice and in front of everyone, he shot them down and named it as encounter. Poison is his main formula. He's trying to kill me also at present. He will do anything for that. You do one thing. Just go and keenly watch whatever he is doing and wherever he is going. Just go ahead and collect all this information and I will collect it from you. Is it okay?
Okay, brother.
Can he kill me, huh? Before that, I will finish him.
What, Killy? You're looking like that?
No, actually there was a man called Murugan over here. He used to look like you. If you didn't have hair like this and a nose piercing, you will look like him.
You know one thing? In this world, there will be 7% resembling one guy. One will be in Kolidam, one will be in Kumbakonam, and other will be in some other places. Why are you talking about him? Is he a big shot or what?
He's a big rowdy. But he was behind me, you know. But now he's afraid of the police and is in hiding. Otherwise, he'll always come to see me. When he next comes to see me, I'll introduce you, okay? Yes, I'm coming. Caesar, stay here. I'll be back.
With Murugan's appearance, we'll play with Killy.
Caesar? Caesar! Caesar?
Hey,
Huh?
who is that? The guy with the long hair roams with you. Is that he? I kidnapped him.
No, sir. Please don't do anything to Caesar. I cannot take it.
Right now, my guys would have killed him for sure.
Please leave us, sir. I cannot marry you and live with you, sir. Please
Hey,
understand.
if I talk about him, you're getting upset a lot. Are you in love with him?
Yes, sir. He's my uncle. He has come all the way from Madras. I'm going to marry him. You have gotten many couples married. Please help us also get married, sir.
Hey, I was just kidding with you, that's it. I will not do anything to him, okay? But listen carefully. If you plan to marry someone apart from him, I will leave him. But I will kill you for sure. Okay?
Caesar? Caesar! Nothing happened to
No,
you, right?
nothing happened.
Nothing will happen to you, Caesar.
You don't worry, Kili. Nothing happened to me.
Nothing will happen to you. You will be well, Caesar. I know. But I'm very scared, Caesar.
Nothing will happen for me. You don't worry. You don't worry about me at all, okay? You go. Everyone wants to kill me. But one and only you alone wants me to live. We will live.
Caesar, in this anniversary, our children should win the competition. You must sing a song for that. Everybody should stand and dance to your song. Come, sing, Caesar.
No, God, I don't know how to sing.
See, I told you, no, he is not belongs to our caste. He doesn't know to sing. I didn't get the smell of our caste from his body. You people are not listening.
Brother, if you don't sing now, brother, they will throw us out of the community and know about you. He'll sing now. He'll sing now.
Are you bloody
you're
composing
putting
a
me in
song for
trouble.
him?
Go and sing.
Hey, what is this?
No. See,
I'm getting fear on seeing this yellow t-shirt.
Hey, sit there. Let us see how he is singing. Good morning, sir.
Yes, Subhash. I couldn't catch him. You're a local guy and you're helping him, no? Are you scared of him? Or did you get any money in return?
Sir, you are taking it personally. According to me, it's my duty. I won't leave that Murugan.
Kili, you will not leave me at any situations, right?
Hey, what happened to you? Why are you talking like this? You're talking about me. But come out and see. Everybody's talking about you. You have come from somewhere. And you did all sorts of things. But everyone started to love you, Caesar. My mother and father, if they wanted to separate us, they cannot, Caesar. I'm only for you, Caesar. A few days back, that Murugan sir came behind me again, but I didn't care. After that fellow came to me and asked me to marry him.
What you said for that?
I said that if I fall in love or marry, it will be from our community, not from anything else.
Why, Kili, you refused it?
What a big family. If his mother wants to, she can find a girl more beautiful than me. But leave all that. That sir only wanted to marry me. I feel he has such a big heart. Yes, coming, mother. You be here, Caesar. I'll be back.
Okay.
Why is brother sitting here? Brother? My dear brother? Why is it you're sitting here? Brother, what happened? What happened to you? Brother? Why are you crying, brother? Brother? What happened to you, brother?
She really respects Murugan a lot, you know. But she loves Caesar a lot, you know.
Did you tell that?
I'm cheating in the name of Caesar to her.
Brother,
I don't know what to do.
I've never seen you crying, brother.
My
You have
heart
so
is
much of
really
love for
breaking
her.
a lot. I don't know what to do at this time. I'm cheating her in the name of Caesar. I'm going to reveal the truth.
Brother,
now.
don't tell
I'm
it to her,
going to
brother.
reveal the truth
Please,
now.
brother, don't tell it to her, brother.
It's paining me a lot.
Brother, please, brother, don't do that, brother. Don't tell, brother.
Gemini, what happened? Why are you crying, Caesar? I told you, right? That Murugan sir will not harm you. He will definitely not harm you. Don't cry, Caesar. That sir will not separate us. He will get us married. Caesar, don't cry, Caesar.
I have killed 4 people in an encounter death in Nagarkoil.
Sir, how to kill him, sir?
You can't kill bravery by bravery. All the brigands, dons, and mafias were killed only by sentiment. We should also use the same technique. What is a sentiment?
His mother, sir.
What, sister? Have you eaten something?
How can I eat anything? Today is my son Murugan's birthday. Every year on his birthday, I used to decorate this house like a festival. But I will send Sudha to the temple to pray for him and give food for at least 10 people.
Okay, sister, I'll leave now.
Okay. Come, sir.
It's okay. Where is your son? Last year for his birthday, what celebration, what partying. But look at this here. Wanted poster.
In this world, wherever my son is, definitely my blessings will be with him.
Tell me where he is. I will give him my blessings. After that, he doesn't have to run anywhere.
My son is not hiding anywhere. If he has done mistake, he will come straight and surrender. If he is hiding now, definitely there will be a reason for that.
What is so important about it? He's so scared of his life.
You mean scared? Our family doesn't know the meaning for that. My husband has fought with 10 people and died, you know. If the full world come against him, my son will fight against them. The person who mixed poison in the liquor is a real coward who is unable to face the truth. When everybody comes to know who is the real culprit, my son will come. You know that?
Okay, madam. Go, give me some water.
My God, on my son's birthday, I used to give food for 1,000 people. But on this birthday, I am not able to give you food also. You are asking for plain water. 1 second, I will come. Here.
Oh, madam, only this pot? No glass?
Yeah, I see. I will bring it now.
Madam,
Huh?
can I drink this water?
Why are you asking like this?
You mix poison in Iraq and so that is why I have this doubt, you see. That is why I'm scared.
For generations, we have been supplying milk to everybody.
Oh. I mixed a little poison in this water.
Why are you sweating so badly, brother? Tell me, what happened?
Something bad happened to my mom. I got a
Believe in
dream.
God. Nothing would happen to mother. You lie down. You want to have tea? Okay, you lie down. I'll get some tea.
Your son will come now. He will come.
Murugan!
Mother? 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 What happened? Mother? What happened, Mother? What happened, Mother? Mother? Mother?
Brother, please, brother.
Hey, brother, tell me, what happened? Tell
How
me.
do I tell you, brother?
Tell
please,
me what
brother.
happened. Tell me first
How
of all
do I
what
tell you?
happened.
No, that
on.
should not happen.
Be patient. Come on.
Brother, your mother is no more, brother.
What did you say? Dharmaraj. The problem is between you and me only, right? But what my mother has done for that? You killed her without mercy. Dharmaraj! Hey, with this hand only you have given the poison to my mother, right?
Muruga, Muruga, kill me
I will not kill you just like that.
if I am saved.
I only have to decide when you have to die and how you have to die. You might be a big guy in your department, but in Delta, I'm the biggest guy. I will not leave you. I will not kill you just like that. Hey, beat him nicely.
Brother, you don't worry about your sister, brother. She will be fine in her uncle's place. But you have an important job to do.
What?
When mother was dying, she told that whatever happens, but you should never come to the village. What did the sister tell you, know? Let my brother be fine wherever he is. Let him be happy with his family wherever he is. If you go there to see your mother, the policeman will shoot you. That's why she is crying. Brother? Where are you going, brother?
I'm going to surrender.
What do you mean, brother?
I decided, brother. I'm going to surrender in SP office.
Then, what will happen to the killie who has been thinking about you?
Maybe one day, if she comes to know the truth, then she will definitely ask me why you cheated me. Then I will die.
Brother?
That's the reason I have to see. Where will be she? You know that, right? Tell me. Hey, come on, tell me.
Bastan.
Hey girl, come here. I heard you are going to marry Mr. Caesar.
Yes, next week.
Do you know who is that Caesar is?
Of course I know. For me, he has come all the way from Madras.
You bloody! You need Caesar!
Hey, why are you beating her? You have to beat Murugan. Doesn't Murugan have brains?
If we marry this caste girl means it will be a very shameful to all of us.
Who goes to which place, see?
This type of person should not live on this earth. You call police
You
immediately.
call.
Hello, sir.
Mother, for the past 10 days, Caesar has been missing. Where could he have gone?
Hey, he has come from Madras. He must have gone back. Why are you thinking about him? You do your work.
Forgive me, Mother. I'm going now to Madras. Don't search for me. Caesar? You are not my Caesar.
Sir, please look at that girl, sir.
I'm sure my Caesar will come back to me. He will take me.
Who's that?
We encountered a person in Kolidam, no?
What's the name?
Attack Murugan.
Oh my God, please try to unite them.
Oh my God!
Brother!
thought that he will get me and Caesar married. Please call up Caesar and tell him not to come to the bus stand. He will get scared now. Why are you crying?
How will I tell?
Come, let's go.
How will I tell?
That Murugan changed his name as Caesar and loved this girl for some time. Poor girl. She doesn't know that he was died. Even now she is searching for him and his love. Like this, so many Cleopatras, searching their Caesar in so many places. This love story is one among that.